took a Salmonex, but voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on?
Hey, little lady, hello.
Who said that? Oh my God!
Your friendly Audrey, too. This plant is talking to you. And now it's supper time!
Audrey, are you all right?
Yes. No.